Kobe Bryant. Help me. Just pass me the trophies and we'll pull you out. Pass. These were Shaq.
Wow. You know, it's just like really weird, you know. And it's always like these predictions because I think this was 2016 or 2017 and this Comedy Central, I think Chamberlain Heights. And so it was predicted then, or seemingly predicted, but then people are also making videos about the tweet that someone made in 2012. People are making videos on that. And so there was a tweet that was in 2012 where someone was saying that Kobe Bryant would die in a helicopter crash. So it's like, who... I mean, I don't really feel like they're predictions. I feel like they're plans. I feel like a lot of the movies and a lot of the things we see on TV and media is almost like just really more so them showing us or someone, I don't know who the someone is or what to call them, but I feel like it's like someone that is trying to play games with us, show us their plans, pick with us and play with us and show us their little plans. And, you know, I don't think it's like a prediction or like a prophecy or anything. I feel like all of it's like this big game, and it's a big game somebody's playing, and they make plans, and they make plans for whatever reason, and you don't know why. Or maybe we do, I don't know. But it seems like a lot of plotting and planning, and not predictions per se, but it seems like a lot of people are working together to play games and plan and show us their plans. Why? We don't know.
2012 tweet predicting Bryant's helicopter crash goes viral. The tweet sent on November 13, 2012, went viral on Sunday after reports of Kobe Bryant being killed after a helicopter crash in California. Kobe is going to end up dying in a helicopter crash, a Twitter user with the nickname Nozo said in the tweet. The fans' reactions were harsh, most of them telling him to delete the tweet. The retired NBA star died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California earlier on the same day, TMZ reported. Kobe was traveling with at least 3 other people in his private helicopter when it went down, the report said. A helicopter crash in the hills near Calabasas was also confirmed by the Los Angeles Times.
Some people, whoever they may be, the people that's playing games with us, the people who, you know, maybe they took it amongst themselves to just utilize those things which had already been in the media to do their sacrifice or whatever the hell they do. Like it's some kind of games being played. So either they're plans and they were just plans and it was all plotted all together, or somebody was playing when they tweeted that. Comedy Central, when they did the Chamberlain Heights, when they did that in just, jokingly. But then these people who, they kind of control the media to a certain degree. Well, they control the media. They control a lot of things, and they do a lot of things. Why, I don't know. I don't know nothing about nothing, and I don't know nobody's name and why they do it and who's doing it and why. But, they're not predictions. They're not like, oh, this prophecy or whatever. It's a bunch of games being played.
Years ago, and a lot of people is sending me links. Everybody's talking about it, and I'm gonna go ahead and share this video with y'all. Now, but before I do that, I need down in a helicopter crash. A distressed Kobe is seen crawling out of the helicopter, and the character says to Kobe, "Pass us the trophies, and we'll help you." Kobe refuses in the helicopter room for y'all real quick, and let me know how y'all feel about it.
It's Kobe Bryant.